Hi guys, Celai here and back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare for a runway casting. Oh, and by the way, I have my equality loading shirt because, we're clearly not there yet, but make sure you guys go to thechattychick.com to check the shirt out. Alright guys, let's get started. So, you've always wanted to become a runway model, and you finally got your first casting. So, what do? Number one, research. Are you casting for a designer or are you casting for a show? Either way, you gotta do your research. Whether you're walking for a designer, you just want to research what shows they've done in the past, like what type of models they use. But if you're walking for a production, you want to see what type of shows they've done in the past. So number two, what do I wear? So the rule of thumb is to wear black fitted clothes, which would be a black tank top or t-shirt and black fitted leggings. But if you do not have leggings, you can wear a black fitted jeans. The reason for that is because they want to see your shape and want to see how you move when you walk. Number three, what type of shoes do I wear? So I actually get this question a lot. So this is the type of shoes you want to wear to a casting. You never want to wear sandals, open toes, or wedges. So personally for me, I like to wear booties. Because while I'm walking, I do not have to worry about the shoes, falling off. Number four, what about makeup? So you'd always want to wear natural makeup instead of, bold makeup. Number five, so what about hair? So the rule of thumb is to always pull your hair back. For me, when I go to model castings, I would always want my hair as big and as fluffy as possible. But for runway, I will always put my hair back or up, similar to this. Number six, comp cards. So make sure that you bring 10 comp cards just in case. But for you guys that do not know what a comp card is, it is basically a picture of you, which also has your contact information and your measurements. But models, make sure you do not lie on your measurements because you do not want to be that model that, gets kicked out of the lineup on the day of the show because your outfit doesn't fit. Number seven, the walk. So the rule of thumb is to walk 2 times. You walk 2 times. So if you did your research, like I said in number one, then you would know: are you walking for a designer that does more of the fancy dresses, or one that does more streetwear? So if you're casting for a designer that does more of the fancy dresses, you would do one clean walk and one, elegant walk. And if you're walking for a more streetwear designer, then you would do one clean walk and one slightly more edgy walk. But there's an exception to the rule. If you're casting for a production or if there's multiple designers in a room, then you would do 2 clean walks. The reason is, if you do a elegant walk, you may ruin your chances with the streetwear designers. But if you do an edgy walk, you may ruin your chances with the evening wear designers. So that is why you would always do 2 clean walks when you're casting in a room full of designers or, a production. Okay, so make sure that you pose to the front. I see a lot of videos of you guys posing to the back. So just make sure you don't do it. So I'm going to be showing you guys a quick video on how to do it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. Oh, and make sure you go to thechattychick.com to go and pick up your tea. Alright, bye guys!